Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Santa Fe, stock number 6169. This ran from the 12th 2020 to the current shape. It has a D4HE 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4HE 2.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front headlight, left front daytime running light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag of tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag of tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag of tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,